Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ina, and today's video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous half up, half down style. Now, if you're one of my loyal subscribers, you guys already know which unit this one is. This is the unit that I dyed blue. Hopefully it's picking up in the camera this time around, but I'll definitely leave in the video in the card so you guys can take a look at that. So I decided to style the unit on my mannequin head just to make it a lot easier. And what I'm going to be doing is basically using my flat iron and my hot comb to get the hair as straight and sleek as possible so that the part that's going up can be as flat as possible. I also used the Pantene spray to spray down the back, and then also used my hot comb to lay that flat. You'll see me put the top portion in a messy bun, and then I'm going to install the unit. I didn't show myself installing the unit. You guys already know how I install it, and I also have a video already on how I install it. But after I installed it, I made sure to take my baby hairs and pull them out. You want to make sure to do that because you are going to style them before actually finally putting your hair up in that ponytail. So I used the Got2b Gel Freeze Spray along with the help of my hot comb in order to get the hair to lay as flat as possible. Now you can use gel, but I only use this freeze spray and a little bit of the Got2b Gel. It took me a while to actually get it up because I'm such a perfectionist when I'm doing my hair. I want it to look really nice and sleek. So I will be putting it up in a ponytail, taking it down multiple times to get it the way that I want it to be. After that, you guys are gonna see me style my baby hairs. I just did 3 swoops, and then the rest I just basically used the gel to bring the hairs up. And then I use my satin scarf to lay down my baby hairs. And then once I was done with that, then I continued to style the unit. Alright, you guys, I think this was the very last time that I actually pulled the top part down. You guys, I'm such a perfectionist. It had to be right. Even now, like, I probably wasn't really satisfied on how it was, but it actually looked good. So as far as the ponytail, you can do the typical wrap around with the hair, but I got this accessory from Amazon and I thought that it would be perfect for this style. It's just a typical gold clamp, so it has an ouchless band. So like you guys just saw, very self-explanatory. You're just taking the band and wrapping it around the ponytail, and then the clamp goes around the ponytail, which makes it so cute, super duper cute. So this is a finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.